Hello and welcome back to another review of the case car with my name Mrs. Pulu, and today we are going to review this 2020 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 from Mustang 60 series 2 from 5 number 73 from 250. Yes, this is the way it looks from the front card. This is the Mustang set itself inside the bubble, and this is the back of the car of this Ford Mustang Shelby GT500. Let's go unboxing it. Okay, let's go. We open this Mustang Shelby GT500 from outside the bubble. This is the artwork, and this is the Mustang itself from outside the bubble. Okay, let's see from the left side first. Nice chopper metallic color with Shelby written below the door, Hot Wheels here, Ford here, and black stripes there. It has the side mirror, door handle there. Okay, see the detail for the headlights looking good, the fog lights, and of course the Ford, the Shelby logo in the middle of the grille is okay. The hood like that. Okay, the right is the same as the left side of the car. The rear parts of the car is, as you can see, that the detail for the taillights okay, the logo for the Shelby here is okay, spoiler here okay. Meanwhile, the base is 2022-20 Ford Shelby GT500, some minor detail and okay detail for the base.